Speedway Video. Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now.
Jeffrey White, Chuck Hires up on the front. Rodney Haddock, Bray Holmes. That was the 4 cars that got inverted. And you have Dalton Smith, 24, 16, rookie driver Dylan LeBeau, and then Tony Bromley up from the bomber class on the tail in the top coat sponsor number 6 car. Here we go. Getting ready to come to green. Field tightens up. And the green flag. Down into turn number 1. The front row gets sorted out, and it's Jeffrey White with the lead, but here comes Bray Holmes up there on the outside with the 21 truck. Really boxed in Bray Holmes there on that start. Oh, Holmes coming down the track, almost on the outside of Chuck Hires. I would expect Holmes to get a nice launch here off turn number 2 and clear the 21 down the back straightaway. That's exactly what's going to happen. Hires tried to fight back, but loses ground going into turn 3. Holmes up to second. We'll see if he can rear in this. Bray Holmes races here when he can get out here. I'm surprised, honestly surprised he's not at the series race, but I think he saw the opportunity to leave here with a good payday and may have made the smart decision here. Jeffrey's going to be double duty driving this week. He'll be in the E-Mod race tomorrow after the Governor's Cup. That Governor's Cup coming your way tomorrow at 2 p.m. You're not going to want to miss it. Some of the best late model drivers in the country are here to do battle in that. Jeffrey White, he's got the lead, but here comes that 57 truck. Bray Holmes is closing in. Chuck Hires sitting back there in 3rd. Dylan LeBeau is up in the 4th spot. Top rookie in this class trying to move forward. Ooh, Chuck Hires a big wheel. Top 5 staying relatively close together. Chuck Hires. 24, falling back a little bit now. Jeffrey White, the 41, he's been good out here all season long. A number of victories this year in the regular season. LeBeau getting racy on the wheel of 16 truck. This guy, Daytona State Jewelry, along for the ride on that truck. They're providing the Rolex watch to the winner of tomorrow's Florida Governor's Cup. LeBeau sends it inside. Good battle back here for 3rd. There inside the 21 truck, courtesy of the 16. LeBeau sends it in. Track between 1 and 2. LeBeau with a big move up into 3rd. Dylan LeBeau not being bashful here tonight. Muscles his way by Chuck Hires. Dylan LeBeau up into 3rd. These 2 leaders to get racing so he can close the gap. They put some big-time separation. Jeffrey White, the leader, in 2nd. Sitting in 3rd. Chuck Hires 4th. Rodney Haddock 5th. And then battle brewing to not be last. The 6 is Bromley. The 24 is Dalton Smith. Maybe used to hearing his name. Bromley in the 6, Smith in the 24. They still battle side by side. 57 might be saving his stuff. This is a long race. Right now, Dalton Smith winning the battle over Tony Bromley for that 6th position. Bromley back in the 2nd. Smith 24. Jeffrey White, Ray Holmes, the class of the field, Dylan LeBeau. After this race, we'll have a brief intermission. We'll follow that. Closing in on the 6th of Bromley. See if lap traffic. See if it makes up the running order quite a few times. Slow Groove is on the bottom. Bromley stays down out of the way. Jeffrey White getting a little loose. Jeffrey White in the 41. Really gets a run up off the corner. He should get around the 24 Dalton Smith. And clear racetrack now. Clear racetrack for the leader as Bray Holmes tries to work through the lap traffic. Watching the 57, wondered if my eyes yeah, a little wisp of smoke going down there. This second place car may be showing signs of weakness here. Separated themselves as the class of the field. 41 Jeffrey White has led all the way from the top spot and inherited that top spot. The truck didn't make the call. Truck Ray Holmes. Bromley and Smith back together again as they battle for that 6th position. Trying to close in on that 41 as they come to halfway. The 57, Ray Holmes is starting to creep in closer here. He's closing in on Jeffrey White now. The lead down to just a couple of truck lengths. Way out ahead of 3rd place Dylan LeBeau, who's coming through to deal with the lap traffic now. shape, almost out of the groove. Everybody's dirt tracking in turn 2. Everybody was loose that time. Keep your eye in turn number 2. Everybody got loose. Let's see if anybody has trouble this time in turn number 2. Getting long 30 laps into this run. Boy, it was crazy to see 3 trucks, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th place trucks all loose. Handling's starting to go away, so close moment there, but everybody's okay. Still leading with 19 to go. Pro late model 50, bound to be a good one. Sure for you too, but I think this race up front's just heating up. That 57's getting closer. Jeffrey White praying these 18 laps go by in a hurry. 57, Bray Holmes running a bit higher line, trying to find some speed. This thing's going to get interesting before it's 2 trucks handling well, everybody else is struggling. Jeffrey White still with a decent 57. Bray Holmes is the fastest truck here all week. Right now, Jeffrey White, Bray Holmes, obviously that's the field. If they get to racing here and rough it up, Dylan LeBeau sitting in the catbird seat back in 3rd. And that great battle with Chuck Ayers at the beginning of the race and has put some distance. Simon's lap home with 1 car. Oh, the 31. Big time loose. Rodney Haddock with a big save off too as he tries to get around the lap truck of Tony Bromley. Complete, and the leaders are going to be in heavy traffic once again. They're going to catch Bromley. Most likely going to have to deal with Rodney Haddock's 31 and Dalton Smith's 24 again. I don't know if they'll catch Chuck Ayers. Jeffrey White, the leader, closing in on Tony Bromley's number 6, and he dives to the inside. Close in a little bit. Now between the leaders as they fight through lap traffic. Holmes really putting the pressure on. Jeffrey White, the leader. Bray Holmes in 2nd. Rodney Haddock in the 31. Oh man, the 24 Dalton Smith. And now the leaders in that heavy lap traffic around the outside of Dalton Smith. They now clear. Rodney Haddock will get by as well in the 31. This time, 3 laps complete. truck length now. 6 to go. 41 of White. Can he hang on? That's the big question. I know there's not many of these things out there with a battle for the lead. Gonna make this thing fun to watch. It's time by 5 to go. That's another 5 laps. Ray Holmes, fastest truck all week, thought he'd be way out ahead. Has not been able to find a way by this 41 truck of Jeffrey White, the track regular. Jeffrey White inherited the pole. To go for Jeffrey White. Truck dead ahead is that might come into play. 3 laps to go. Jeffrey White and Bray Holmes gonna settle amongst themselves. Bray Holmes has been stalking that 41 but hasn't been able to get close enough. Jeffrey White gets a little bit loose. Here comes Bray White. 2 to go. Lap track. Ahead of the leader, Jeffrey White. What does he do? Chuck gets loose. The leaders get stacked up behind the 21. Jeffrey White gets down to the inside. Leaders boxed up behind the 21 and Chuck gets loose. White flag ready to fly. This is it. Laps of cat and mouse. What's going to happen now? Sizing them up. Holmes going to try to get a big run. Jeffrey White, the track regular, trying to keep the money for himself. Holmes, one last effort. Trucks dancing around. Here they come to the finish. Jeffrey White takes off. Ray Holmes in second. And Dylan LaBrecque in the 16 is going to come back in the 3rd spot. Well, they followed each other for 49 laps. Lap traffic makes it interesting at the end. Both those racers chatting about it on the back straightaway. Ladies and gentlemen, he's climbing out. Let's hear it for Jeffrey White, your race winner. We'll get Jeffrey over here and grab a quick word with him. He's going over to see Bray Holmes. They had a good little race. It was definitely a 2-horse race here tonight. Good sportsmanship being shown between these two. Jeffrey, let's get you over here and grab a word with you real quick. Jeffrey, congratulations, man. You held on. You got to start on the pole tonight, but that 57, he's been fast here all week. You knew it wasn't going to be easy. How were you able to hold him off?
I honestly don't know. I wore up my stuff too early a little bit on there, and I was just slipping and sliding coming off, and he was coming. I heard in the radio, and I just tried to do my best, and it worked out good, and I'm just happy to be in victory lane.
Well, it's easy when you get the pole and you got all that clean racetrack to maybe use up the stuff. It was a long race tonight. He had to use up his stuff getting through some of the traffic, and then you had to deal with lap traffic. What are you thinking there with 2 to go? You got the lap truck dead ahead of you. Everything gets stacked up. What's going through your mind there?
I'm thinking maybe he should have got out of the way. You know, he's a lap car, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, and, you know, we took the victory, so that's all that matters.
Don't be too mad at him. He's the reason this race is 1,000 to win. But pretty nice payday. You and Bray put on a good show. And do you have anyone that you'd like to thank tonight?
Everyone back at the shop, my mom, my dad, Joe, my girlfriend, everybody here, my whole family, Action Graphics for their great wraps, Donnie Myers, luxury coach, and just everyone that has supported me and worked on this truck to get it the way it is. You know, thank you, everyone.
Jeffrey, congratulations. Get a win tonight, maybe an EMA win tomorrow to make it a perfect weekend. Congratulations, Jeffrey White takes home the win. Great battle with Bray Holmes. Comes home in second. Bray, you've had one of the best trucks here all weekend. What did you need? You need just a little bit more. What was that you were missing today to get by that 41?
One more lap. I was, I couldn't be happy. I have such a fast truck. I can't thank enough people. Josh Todd, my parents, T&T Construction, Southern Comfort Refrigeration, Ace Wrecker. There's so many more people I could thank. Good job to him. I wanted to give it to him, but I know me and him have some pretty good history. We're going to keep it that way, so I'm not going to, ruin that with him. But other than that, we had a pretty decent truck. I think I needed one more lap, and I probably could have had something for him.
So I asked Jeffrey about the lap truck. Obviously, you saw that coming too. If the lap truck wasn't there, maybe you could have snuck by him, or was that lap truck the difference tonight?
No, I definitely think that lap truck helped me get to him, but it being the outside and not being able to roll the outside with him was definitely a little bit of a challenge. Tried to do a crossover, couldn't get any drive off, so I just had to try and get to his rear bumper and scare him a little bit.
Well, like I said to Jeffrey, it's a great battle between you. Doesn't matter. Oh. Check. Check 1, 2. There we go. Doesn't matter which track you guys show up to. You guys are always fast. Do you have anybody that you would like to thank here?
Oh, there's so many people. Travis Rowland, just out of the back spotting for me. I couldn't be more thankful for anybody who would just do any tiny help for me. Anything helps no matter what it is, so I couldn't be more thankful for everybody else.
Ray, congratulations on a good run. Let's hear it for Ray Holmes, bringing it home in second. Giving us a good show with these trucks tonight. Dylan LeBeau, bringing it home third. Congratulations on a good run. This microphone, I don't know what's going on today.
Yeah.
It doesn't like you. It only likes me. Let's see if we can get it to work.
Yeah, it was a good race. Had to run hard. Kind of was fighting a loose truck the whole race. But there's a lot of people I got to thank. First, I got to thank my dad. Without him, I wouldn't be able to do this. I got to thank Daytona State Jewelry, Swipe Out Cleaning Service, Lawn Service, Big Timber, Land Clearing, and I forget. Of course.
Got to thank Mom, of course.
For letting me do this. I got to thank Jay for spotting for me. He keeping me calm the whole race, and got to thank New Smyrna Speedway for putting on a good show.
And we appreciate you being here. Dylan LeBeau brings it home with a great third place run. Keep your eye on this kid. He's got a bright future. So good run here for the trucks. Great battle for the win. It came down to the last lap. That's all you can ask for.
Support Speedway Video. Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now.